what a fantastic view right here in front of me. It's really so breathtaking. Guess where are we? Okay, we are here at Rivervale's shore. So congratulations to all the neighbors who are going to take your keys soon and renovate your place. Okay, I would like to thank all of you because I've heard that we have actually installed, okay, and have a reservation of more than few hundred orders from all you neighbors out here. Okay, so I really want to take this chance to thank everyone and wish you all the best in your new place, meeting new friends and a new environment. Okay, so for those of you who are wondering how our Happie's Joy Water Purifier going to be installed in this BTO flat, okay, come, let's go to the kitchen and I will show you. So here will be the typical layout that is going to be here in Rivervale Shores, okay? So as you can see here, it is a two parallel stretch. So you can choose to put your dispenser in a lot of places. Okay, the first one will be, some of you, okay, you can choose to put it beside the fridge here, okay, if you have sufficient space. Or some of you prefer to put in the middle, also can, no worries, no problem at all. Just remember to let your carpenters and your ID know in time can already, okay? Do remember this, before your house renovation is done. Anything can be changed as long as you inform your interior designer first so that he can actually prepare the size and space needed, okay, for you, okay? So for those of you who are actually interested in installing at the other stretch, also can, no problem. So what we want to do is, we will actually connect the water point at the washing machine. We will actually do some trunking over to the other side. Or alternatively, you can also get your ID to pull a water point inlet and outlet across to the other side for us. Okay, so whichever way is also fine. Okay, but in this particular unit over here, the owner prefers to place it at the corner over there. So the owner prefers to place it over here. He was mentioning to us that when he's taking water, at least you can see the view, which is very beautiful. So for the owner that chose to put it here, it is very simple. We will not need to tap from the basin water point. We will just connect to the washing machine which is underneath. Okay, so it's very simple and straightforward. We just punch a small 12mm hole up and we will just plug, very simple. Okay, so for those of you who have not installed, please do seriously consider, because can you imagine, from the day that you install this Joy Water Purifier, you will not ever need to boil water ever again before having to drink, okay? And also for those of you who like to drink ice cold water, you will definitely love it, because our ice cold water is 4 degrees, as cold as those bottles that you're going to put in the fridge. Okay, so with this Joy Water Purifier, I assure you, trust me, you will be so happy, because it brings not only convenience, it helps you to save money, it helps you to save a lot of time. Your wife, your helper, and you yourself will be just so thankful for having this Joy Water Purifier. Okay, so for those of you who have installed and also who have placed a reservation with us, please help us to spread this good deal across to more neighbors, because I know that there's more than 2,000 over units in this project. So help us to spread this good deal, okay, so that all your neighbors can enjoy this amazing deal, okay, from us, and also this good quality product from us. Thank you.